I won't kill myself. I don't die for this land. I won't kill myself. Which kind of life is this?
What is going on? Please, so no kill yourself. No just kill yourself. I dey far for that side now and say somebody done the pull rope for neck. Now around the cup. What is going on?
Bros, I don't tire. Now, let's go walk. Start government. My patron. For many years, they don't be pay. I won't kill myself.
No kill yourself. Are you talking here? Please no kill yourself.
I don't agree. I won't kill myself. Leave me. I won't kill myself.
My wrong, go tell your son.
Now you get my death on me. I won't kill myself. I won't die. I don't tire. Person go start coming finish. They're not gonna give me. They're not gonna give my pension money. Everything don't say for this country. I won't kill myself.
Papa. What do you do? What do you do?
Benji, let me.
What do you do? What did you do?
I won't kill myself.
Wait.
No, baby, make I know that. I want that.
What that? I know you. I know you know that this is your mother. Me myself, you're picking your soul, your first song. I mean, my by Otapia.
Benji,
when I want to kill you.
Benji, I'm gonna kill you. You won't make it there.
You don't have any plan now. Me myself, I don't plan for you.
Benji,
why you don't tell me? I'm in the heart.
Is it okay?
So you can kill yourself.
The way I can't say to go back and see where I go there.
So you can kill yourself. Kill yourself. Make I tell you before you kill yourself. As I talk to you now, Papa. Now yesterday night. That is your call.
Back up.
Go pick the call. I'm not running now. What do they call? I'm a performance, pro from, pension. How do you call them?
Pension money. What? Pension money. Talk.
I received your call yesterday night. Wow. What is it? You send me a message. Where? What is this? As I received your call, I did
10 million naira.
After I had that money, my spirit leave me. Now that's why there's almost shit. The person say he give me the details, everything. You are going to money. So as I hear now, that's the money. After they go buy a doctor there. Now, you forget. You forget that you give me your ATM with your PIN. I go withdraw the last 650 when you give me your account.
Hey, you don't withdraw the money.
You got it. Baba Maka.
Huh?
Baba Maka. Oh. Baba Maka.
You don't withdraw my money.
Baba, as I talk to you now. That money, I don't divide down.
Huh?
For your burial.
My money?
Wow. I don't put the one without the bank your coffee. For your cow. But at least if you keep for ourselves, you even rich.
Betty!
For cow, because having the money for this we use.
I'll go kill you.
Baba, not be me won't die, now you won't die.
Betty, if you're not the time now, if you're not the time, this room, now I'll take you.
You want to be? How you go there see the money? You forget that I mean know the details. I mean the call.
Your mama, not be me give your mama belly.
Baba, as for me now, that day and I know some of your papa, I know your mama. But you know, they take you so you don't die. Papa, when you ready, I don't go pay for your coffee. You said that money.
Betty,
Papa can't cool weather.
Betty, Papa, okay. Money.
Papa, I don't.
I don't get it. You're crazy. Let's go me to that again, joke. Now you don't let me kill myself since.
Papa, go to yourself.
I won't go that. Now don't you there. No, let me die since. Get out.
Papa, get yourself. Come down. Huh? Bring the plane. Papa.
Huh?
Papa.
ladies and gentlemen, when they out they watch this Ogbonge comedy is coming from the table of RNC Comedy Skit Baba production. We have a lot that is coming your way. Do not forget, go on our YouTube. The number to call is on your screen, and our Facebook name is also there as you watch this comedy skit. So the Lord God Almighty bless you. The person talking is Baba Peter. God bless.
Oh my end, I'll be there, girl. You know I care, girl. God, girl, you know I care.